All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've been using the standard Google cases by default on my Pixel 6 devices, and I've been using them since launch. And I wanted to see how they will hold up before I purchase something else. And to my surprise, they're actually doing very well. I genuinely really like these cases. Google sent over this one when they sent over the Pixel 6 Pro. And then I liked this so much, I went on ahead and bought it for the Pixel 6 when I bought my Pixel 6. Now, this case is kind of like I would say it's a more premium feeling TPU case. Because there's a ton of cases out there that you can get for your money. This one costs $30, but it definitely is. It fits perfectly, obviously, with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. But I genuinely have not been using anything but this case on both devices. And I'm actually really happy that I bought this because this case comes in different colors. Now, only regret I do have is buying the same color as the other one. I should have bought that mint color to match my phone. But other than that, I can just buy another one. But I genuinely really like this case, and it's been holding up fairly well. And I'm pretty happy that I decided to grab this, man. It's a strong TPU case. It's sturdy, hard plastic. It doesn't look and it doesn't feel anything the way it looks. It looks like it's cheaply made, to be honest, at first glance. It looks just like another TPU case you can grab online for $10. Not the case. I rank this up there with Spigen and their Armor series because this is a strong case right here. And that is why I'm following up. Now, the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro have this entire area exposed right here. And so you would think that this will be a weak area on cases, and it technically should be. However, with this case from Google directly, this is a strong area right here. This area on the side is just like this area on the back. Very strong. So they made sure that it would last over time. And I don't foresee myself buying any other cases at this point. I might grab something, but I technically don't need anything. I've been that happy with these particular cases that I've just left them on. So they go on really simple, very easy. You can go from the bottom or you can go from the top. Either way, you'll find that they snap on really good, and they're very nice, and they feel really good. Now, it's like a matte feel to these, a soft touch matte feel. Now they can get a little oily. It just depends on the person. But when going on, they feel really, really solid, man. And I definitely genuinely enjoy this case. I actually leave these cases on predominantly all the time when I'm using these devices, and I use them daily. This is a daily driver, so I'm using them regularly, and I'm happy with the purchase. So the tactile feedback on these is really nice right here, man. It's really, really solid. I really like them. And let me test this here for you, because I know you guys would like to know. Obviously, wireless charging always works with these cases because they're plastic, and they don't have any kind of metal or anything blocking them. So it's a huge plus, man. This is a good looking case. It's a good form fitting case, and I just wanted to follow up on it. I very seldom do a lot of follow ups on cases, but it's time to do that because if you recommend something to someone, I think you owe it to them to follow up with them at least once or twice in the interim of you doing that. So. I had the tempered glass on here from Whitestone Dome, but I took it off because I don't really like Whitestone Dome, or I don't really like glasses or in protective films, those clear ones on here. I prefer to keep them both skinned, and that's the way I have these from Sophie Guard. So this is a huge plus, and I can really appreciate what Google did. Whoever made these cases for Google, they did a good job, and I genuinely like these cases. And they are expensive, folks. They're $30 each. So if you can get a code or something like that, I highly recommend that you do it. If you have any kind of promos or coupons, you go ahead and grab it. I think you'll be really happy, and especially it's an official Google product with your Google phone, so that's something to keep in mind. But I wanted to follow up on these real brief and to the point. These are great cases. They come in different colors. And I know, again, there's other options, but man, I really, really, really like these cases. And the only other case that I'm going to get for these, if in fact I do upgrade, is going to be the OtterBox case, because I genuinely love the Defender series. I purchased it for everything I have just about, and they do make them for this device. And, you know, they're even more expensive. They're twice the price. They're $60 each. But when you like something and you have trust in that brand and that quality that you get from it, it's worth it to me. So I'll probably go ahead and grab at some point or another. I don't have really intentions on doing it now, but man, I just really like the way this feels. So don't be surprised if you see me dropping my Pixel 6 and 6 Pro into OtterBox cases. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. A quick follow-up for you guys. This video was recorded with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. What do you think about the quality and the sound and the visuals, everything? What do you think? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.